Hey yo, it's Bayo Adio, the Nigerian nomad. You are welcome to the show.
American roots, but Niger is where I'm at. With my people by my side, we chasing dreams and catching flies.
Hey yo, what's up everybody? How are you doing? This is Bayo Adio, your favorite Nigerian American on YouTube. Today, we're continuing the series of showing you guys places to stay in Lagos, Nigeria. And today, we are on the mainland and specifically the Yaba area of the mainland. The Yaba area is an area that's very, very, very close to the island, and it's just an area that has exploded over the last few years. But today, I'm going to feature a nice, fully loaded one-bedroom apartment for you guys. Let's go and check it out. When I say fully loaded, I mean fully loaded. Let's go check it out. So the first thing here is you have a parking. So you have parking on the side, and then you have a security gate house. And this one is a ground floor. I know a lot of people don't like climbing stairs. So this one is a ground floor. As you can see, the area it's flood free. It's accessible road to the main road. This is for like somebody that wants like a very accessible road and just want like a cool one-bedroom place to just come and crash, to stay, and then leave. But fully loaded. It's set up as like a home away from home. Let's go check it out. Ta-da! So as you walk in here, the style is an open concept, cozy living room / kitchen combo. So as you can tell, you have the TV, you have everything that you need. When I say fully loaded, I mean it too. You have a washing machine, you have a fridge, you have a 4-top for cooking, you have pots, griddle iron for like omelette, you have another big pot there, you have wine cups, drinking cups, coffee cups, you have a full set of cutleries, a blender, microwave. Look at this knife set, guys. Look at this knife set. Knife set, cooking set, hot water maker, toaster, microwave. I mean, what else do you want in a kitchen? Blender, knife, hot water maker, toaster, microwave, fridge, washing machine, pots. I mean, what else? So I love that the kitchen is fully loaded. Now, this place is like an open concept. So you now have your TV here. So this is a nice little quaint. Everything about this place is quaint and cozy. So yeah, I love the ambient lights. I love the coziness of the place. So it's very nice. So you have a smart TV and you also have DSTV system to help with whatever entertainment that you need to do. So that's generally the living space area, but I love the full functionality of this space. You have the kitchen, you have the entertainment area, and you have a workstation. Come and check it out. Look at this. So you literally have everything properly arranged, still spacious, and you're still able to maximize the corners of each of these rooms. So if you're a remote worker, a digital nomad, or you're one of those people like me who has to stay connected with Zoom calls and all this stuff, this is perfect. You have a workstation. Love it. All right. So outside of that, we're still in the living room spaces. So we've highlighted 3 different sections in the living room. You also have a guest toilet. So if a guest comes and visits you, they don't have to go into your room to use your toilet. Even though it's a 1-bed, you still have a guest toilet that a guest can use. How lovely is that? So now that we've checked out this space, the room and the living room has an AC. So whether there's no NEPA, whether there's NEPA, this place you have 24 hours of light guaranteed, backed with an inverter system that I'm going to show you guys. Not only that, you have a high-speed fiber internet system in this 1-bedroom apartment. Very, very cool. Now, let me show you guys the inverter system. Come and check it out. So there you go. So this has a full 10 kV battery system and an inverter system so that you do not have to have interrupted power supply. So again, this place is fully loaded to your maximum comfort. Now let's go check out the bedroom. This is the bedroom. You see, as quaint as this place is, it even has his and hers closet. Check this out. There's a closet here. with its own drawer. And there's a closet here with its own drawer. Isn't that cool? And you also have a shelf and storages at the top again. That's so cool. Anyways, I'm 6'4". The bed is so comfortable. Anyway, that's the general idea of the bedroom. Look, you have dressers, you have a mirror to check out your place, and you still have room to walk around. So you have a fan, and not only you have a fan, if you're like, some people don't like AC, some people don't like fan, you have both. So you also have an AC here. Now finally, you have the restroom, its own private toilet and shower, so you do not have to share with any guest. Check it out.
Real estate king from Lekki to Green Paradise.
The beautiful thing that I also like about this apartment is you can change the mood. As you guys can see, the mood is a little bit cozy now. Let me change it. The lighting. Now it's like bright, it's exciting. And now it's romantic. So you can choose any mood that you want in here, but I'm gonna go for this bright light mood. So I'm sure the question you're thinking is, okay, Bayo, fine. The apartment is great. I love it. It's in an accessible location. How much is it? So how much, it depends on the time and how long you're booking. But to give you a general range, it's anywhere from 80,000 Naira to 90,000 Naira a night. And this is roughly equivalent to like $60-ish per night. Now, it's gonna vary a bit depending on like the season of the year and how long you're staying. So, but just know that generally within that range, you can come and enjoy this nice, quaint, cozy place stacked with amenities. Private parking, private security gated compound, washing machine, toaster, blender, pot, microwave, fridge, workstation, DSTV, high-speed fiber internet, ACs, hot water system, 24 hours light backed up with a solar inverter battery system. I mean, you have everything you need to have a comfortable stay here. So if you're interested, again, reach out to us on the number underneath this video below, and then we'll love to hook you up. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And lastly, guys, remember, it's your time to rise and let your light shine. Peace.
Remember to rise and let your light shine.